You may experience a situation in which you initiate a flushing cycle on the controller. You hear a click on the solenoids, but the flushing does not occur. If so, proceed with the following steps. First, check the control assembly filter. Blockage of the control assembly filter will cause a malfunction of the backflushing process. Check to see if it requires cleaning, and if it does, clean it. Now check for clogging inside the solenoid valve. If you find any clogging, try to clean it. Next, check for clogging in the hydraulic control tubes and clean where necessary. If you find any ruptured or ripped control tubes, replace them. Proceed to check if the flushing cycle is performing. If not, please contact your Netafim representative.